So this video is going to show you how to create a macro and assign it to a keyboard shortcut. So if I open up my Excel file, and on this then I'm going to get it to record my name as a header, but as I say I'm going to assign it to a keyboard shortcut. So on the developer tab I'm going record macro and I'll call it header again. And this time I'm going to use this option, shortcut key, and I'll say Control and K. If the key is already assigned to something, it will tell you at that point. So Control and K, and I'm going to say OK. Now remember, it's recording everything I'm doing. So I go Insert, Headers and Footer. I'll put my name as a left header this time. Click into the document and back to normal view. And then I'm going to say stop. Okay, so on this worksheet, just to show you, I have no header in there. And I'm going back into the document and I'm going Control and K. And now if I check it in print preview, there's my name gone as a header. I think that's what makes macros really great, is when you can assign them to keyboard shortcuts.